Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from Androidzilla. Today I walk you through how to fix sign in to Wi-Fi network problem. The step is very easy. You go to setting. From setting, you type in the search field, reset, and wait for a second. After you see reset Wi-Fi and mobile network and Bluetooth, click on it. Click in Wi-Fi, and you need to reset setting. In the bottom, in the middle, you have reset setting. You need to reset setting. If not work it, you need to disconnect it in your Wi-Fi and forget the network and sign again in the Wi-Fi. It's not working. You need to restart factory or restart your Wi-Fi model or router. I hope that video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys.